So let's start. We didn't finish the last exercise in here. Even we didn't finish when describing the picture. So tell me please, what's going on in this picture? Who do you see and what are they doing? So we said about umbrellas that umbrella is in the net. What else is going on here?
Yes, we need the book.
Yes. No, you can see in the screen for now. So what do you see on the picture? What's going on the picture?
I see horse.
Okay.
And horse.
What are horses doing?
Run.
Running. So tell me the sentence.
The horse is running.
Only one horse?
No, 3 horses.
Okay, so say the horses
The horses is running.
are running.
Are running.
The horses are running. I would say even the horses are racing. Who will be quicker? Racing. The horses are racing. Okay, what else? Who else do you see and what are they doing? People, animals. Yes, Karma, say. Karma.
I see boys make a burger.
Okay, wait, Yad, you said something. Now let Karma say. Karma.
And the sea.
Say again.
Boat and the sea.
No, this is not a sentence. The boats are in the sea.
The boats are in the sea.
Okay, what else? Mariam, tell me something about someone. Look, what do you see here? Who is this?
Cat.
Cat. What is the cat doing?
He's sitting.
The cat is
Sitting.
sitting. Say all the sentence.
The cat is sitting.
The cat is sitting. Yeah. Okay. Rim, say your sentence about someone. What are what is this girl doing? Semi, what's this girl doing? Look, this girl, what is she doing?
Gives the boy a burger.
Is making burgers. Say again all the sentence.
Is making burgers.
No, who?
The girl.
Are you chewing gum? Semi, please take it out. We are not eating chewing gum in the session. So say again all the sentence, please.
The girl
Is making.
the burger.
The girl is making burgers. Okay. And look, Asir, who is this animal?
Fox.
Fox. Okay. So say, what is fox doing?
The fox is hiding in the tree.
The bush. Okay. And what is this boy doing? Who is here? Not. Where are you all? Iyad, are you here? Karma, have a look. This
Yeah.
boy in the back. What is this boy doing? How do you think? Karma, where are you? Or this man, what is he doing? How do you think?
No. I don't know.
I think he's sweeping, he's cleaning.
This is a girl.
Boy. Say girl, doesn't matter, boy or girl, I need the action. What is he or she doing?
The girl is cleaning.
The grass or the playground. The girl is cleaning the playground or the girl is cleaning the grass. Okay. What is Turkey doing? Semi. Iyad. What is Turkey doing?
T the answer R.
What? How?
C the answer R.
The first word, what do you say?
C the answer R.
P.
C the answer.
What is the first
C
word?
the answer R.
C?
C. C.
No, we can't say like this. It is looking. The turkey is looking.
Turkey is looking for answer R.
I think this is not Arthur R. What's his name? His name is Urgent R. Urgent R. Arthur R with AR we had. Okay, now look at the pictures down, and I know that you all already made this exercise, so tell me quickly. Sound ER with ER. Asir, give me the words, match the words with this sound.
Hammer and leather.
Thank you, Asir. Impossible. Iyad, no, please.
Hammer.
What?
Hammer.
Don't understand. Say clearly, Asir.
Hammer.
Hammer. Okay, what else? What else coming with sound ER? Maybe in the end of the word. Mariam, think Asir and you will tell me. I will come back to you. Mariam, tell me about IR, sound the Irving Irvin So what words go with IR? Say.
Bird.
Asir, don't close your camera, just think and tell me. So
Bird.
bird, okay. What else?
Skirt.
Skirt, great. So Asir, did you get another word? Asir, what else comes with sound ER? Tell me all the words that we have here. Tell me the words for you are sound. Asir. You are. What's this?
Nurse.
Nurse, okay. And
Purple.
yeah. What else? What's this?
Miss, I make it. I make this.
Okay, Massa.
I make the tracing.
Okay, Massa. Now I can't see it until I not change the screen. What's this, Asir? How we call this? The small bag for girls, for women. Massa, can you help, please? What's this? Massa, can you say? I don't want to see the book now. Just say, what's this? And what sound is it? Purse. Asir, purse, what sound is it? Purse. What sound? Where we put the line?
R.
They all are. What are? Which one? E-R, I-R, U-R.
You are.
You are right, purse here. So what is, what we didn't match yet? What's this? Look, the middle.
Leather.
Iyad. Thanks
Leather.
a lot. This is not good help, you know? I ask you to wait and to be patient. You will always help him until the end of the school, and when he graduates school also. Please. You made it even before the lesson. Let him think and make himself. He is a clever boy. He can make everything. Now, look to the picture and remember all the pictures with sounds, the words with sounds. You don't need to say anything. You just need to see, to look, and to remember them. And in each sound, there is one word that doesn't go with this sound that is different. So you need to find it, but now you don't say anything, just look and remember. Hmm? Ready?
The star.
I'm not asking about any words now. Now you just look and remember, because I will close this picture now and will ask you about the words.
Ready.
Ready?
We are ready.
Everybody ready? So Messa is ready. Great.
And me ready.
Okay.
And me ready.
I'm not me. I'm ready.
I ready.
From where you always say this, I don't know. Okay, now I will pin my video that you could see only me. And okay. And now, tell me the words that were going with sound ER. ER. Answer. Yes, answer.
Tiger.
Tiger. What else?
Tiger.
What else? Say all. Hammer. Yes. What else? Wait, where are you? What else? Semi, can you help, please? Answer if you remember. I'm listening to you also. Wait, miss a second. So, tiger, hammer. What else was there with sound ER? Semi. Tiger, hammer. What else did you see? Mesa, help. Mesa, say. What was there with sound ER?
ER. Okay. Tiger.
Yes, they said. Answer said already.
Ladder.
Ladder.
Ladder. Ladder.
So you said three all together. Answer and Mesa, you said three together. Hammer and tiger and what? Ladder. Okay. I will give more help. Look, I will give you help. Look, look, look.
Danger.
What else?
Fight.
Mommy, help me. So what?
Butter.
Butter. Okay. So have a look. This is butter. And hammer and leather and danger. And now tell me, what word doesn't go with this sound there?
Fight.
Fight. Oops,
Fight.
not here. So yes, here, fight. Fight doesn't go with sound ER. Okay, now sound, what was in the middle? IR. Let's remember sound IR. What was there?
Girl.
Mesa. IR, not UR. IR. Where was
Girl.
this? Was IR. Yellow color.
Girl. Girl with IR. Girl with IR. Girl.
Girl. Was there a girl? Where is the girl? No, there's no girl. Mariam.
Flower. Yes. And shirt.
Yes, dirt, shirt. What else?
Bird. 30.
30, yes. What else?
Bird.
Not third. Third was no there. Semi.
Bird. Bird.
Yes, bird.
Bird.
What else?
Circle.
Yes. Let's check. Look.
Circle.
Dirt, shirt, circle, bird, 30. And what is not going with the sound?
Flowers. Flowers. Flowers.
Yes.
Flowers. Flower.
Flower. How to say, what, oh my God, forgot the word. Where it's the flower. What sound is in flower?
AR.
ER, yes, it should be with ER. Okay, and now the sound UR. What words did you have there? What was
Curly.
curly? Agree. What else?
Burger.
Yes,
Burble.
right.
Burble.
Yes. What else?
Stars.
Aha. Yes, right. You are. What else? Show you. Where? Here. Quickly, quickly, quickly.
Pears.
Yes. And what else?
Turkey.
Yes. So have a look. Oops. Turkey. You didn't speak one word.
Fish.
What did you? What you?
Burger.
This one. You didn't say.
Pear.
Fur. No one said fur. Okay. What word was different?
Stars.
Yeah.
Stars.
Star. What sound goes in star? The word star.
R. A-R.
A-R. Yes. A-R. Okay. Great. You see, so I have today magic wand. Okay.
Miss, how you do it?
Magician. I know how to make magic. Okay. Now, no magic, just games. We have still some time. We can play.
Games now because I'm a cat. Okay, I am a cat. I am a cat. Meow.
Really? We have a cat in KG too?
Me is a cat. Me. You see, I have a little cat.
Okay, so we have some time. So we choose one who is reading a lot of words. Or maybe I will change you quickly, so be ready. Okay, Karma, start. So
We want us to start.
If you can read the word, press the tick.
Read.
If you need to start again,
Great.
press the egg timer.
Wheat. Moon.
No.
Moon. Meat. Meat. School. School. Week. Week.
Only Karma.
Look. My. We. Wow.
Clearly.
Wood.
Wood.
Wood. Train. Stairs. Wood. Feet. Room. Hole. Cow. Tooth. 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 Right. Hope.
Did you beat your last score?
Okay, good. That's not bad.
Miss, I want to make.
Everybody. Mariam, open your microphone. All the rest is closed.
If you can read the word, press the tick. If you need to start again, press the egg timer.
Book. Book.
Hey.
To.
E. Three.
Three. We.
Weep.
Weep. Need.
Knee.
Need. O, N, moon.
N.
N, moon. K, bo,
E.
o, bo,
E. K. E.
bo,
K. E.
bo,
Where?
bo,
What do you say? K.
Did you beat your last score?
bo.
Keep. Okay, good, but I'm glad that you made yourself slowly, but that's okay. Mesa, please.
If you can read the word, press the tick. If you need to start again,
Fight.
press the egg timer.
Right. Sweep. D. Book. No.
Now.
Now. Tail. High. Kip. Tree. Cow.
Cow. Cow. Say.
Cow. Down. Sock. Feet. No, not. Agree.
Agree.
Did you beat your last score?
Great. Good. Iyad, are you here?
Yeah.
Can you prepare?
Yeah.
If you can read the word,
Yeah.
press the tick. If you need to start again, press the egg timer.
C. Sing.
No.
Sing.
How we read
Sing.
IGH? No.
Sing.
No. How we read IGH? Like I.
Soy. Call.
No.
Shoe.
No.
Shoe.
Cool.
School. Glue. I get it. Glue. Get it. Soon. Need. Yeah. Room. Yeah. Oh. Wood. Meat. Food. Sauce.
Did you beat your last score?
So you see, Iyad, this IGH where you stopped for a long time, it's the same like you read sight, light, the same but without T. Okay, Semi, are you ready? Semi, where are you? Who is here? Reem, are you ready?
Miss, can I color in the board?
Reem,
Color in the screen.
no.
If you can read the word, press the tick. If you need to start again, press the egg timer.
Yes, it'll happen once you're 20 years old.
What's the sound?
You open the fan, what else?
Curl.
something, right? Don't sweat. Of course, you can press flowers, leaves,
Turn.
so
Cool.
yes, really, when I love my
Sweet. No. Now.
Did you beat your last score?
No.
And Semi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Would Reem, if you wouldn't lose time with some in the beginning, you would read well. You would get good scores. So, Semi, ready?
Yeah.
If you can read the word, press the tick. If you need to start again, press the egg timer.
Say, don't lose time.
Feet. Jeep. Deep.
B,
Book. We.
oh, where? What? Huh? Huh? How? How?
Sheep.
Seem,
Him.
joy, n,
Join.
Did you beat your last score?
okay, great. All who is with cameras, everybody read, yes. Okay. Now I let you go. We've finished. So after the break, we are having science. So prepare your science book. That's all for English for today. You were all good in reading, but some of you I know can be a little bit better. Okay, so see you after break.
I get 12.
My magic
This is the best day. I get 12.
Okay.
And I now have.
Yes, you read well.
I now have.
See you after.
I now have started.
Open your camera. So we are finishing now.